Hey friends, if you wish to turn off automatic proxy setup on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So don't go through the usual method through settings because that may not be applicable totally. I have tried that in the past and I have some issues with it. So I'll tell you the right method to do that. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. This will open the internet connections window. Go to the connections tab, LAN settings, uncheck automatically detect settings. You can click on use a proxy server and add whatever address you want to if you want to do that. But this is where you will uncheck automatically detect settings from. Click on OK and then on OK once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.